I figured they probably just kept sleeves and pistons in cases like beer in the trailer for crying out loud, because they pulled so much. I got old videos if you pulled a Toma, you probably don't know. And that was, you know, it's like a super farm tractor back then.
No gauge, and it really, it was different back then. A little less horsepower.
Good times. Here we go. Unlimited alcohol super stocks. This is the first of the Blackburn tractors coming to line. I should say the Shitons. Extremely armed and dangerous. Terry Blackburn doing the driving. Ron Parson, he turned his pull down. He went 194. 2490, he turned the pull down. Here we go, Terry Blackburn. Manning time wonder here in the Stevenson County Fair. Extremely armed and dangerous. Holy team. Another one of the awesome alcohol V8 machines. No, this is the Gettinger's, I'm sorry. The Gettinger machine. Terry Blackburn at 321.62 to 321.62 for Terry Blackburn. We got Neil Gettinger hooking up now. Extremely, or lessons learned they call the tractor. They used to put diesel super stock for many, many years. Oh no! Oh, terrible, terrible. I see a piston, top of a piston rolling down the side of the track over here. Neil Gettinger out of Hagerstown, Indiana, lessons learned. And I think he just blew that motor to smithereens in front of us here tonight. Looked to me like a piece of piston. I don't know if that's piston or top of the oil transfer pump. That's my alongside the track. 100 meter total. down there and they're looking at it, and that's where the oil slick started. Oh, this is just terrible, terrible stuff. Neil Genser, Hagerstown, Indiana. And it's all junk. They're picking parts up. Okay, we're gonna have a, oh my gosh, are they all aluminum, Jeff? Oh my goodness, terrible, terrible, terrible. Long-time puller Neil Genser out of Hagerstown, Indiana. Used to pull a John Deere for many years. He just wasted it. Give him a big hand, folks. Holy smokes, it's all over the track too. I see it. You know, we can get our old in-laws out there with their metal detectors and wouldn't pick it up because it's aluminum. It's motor. I think so. It's pistons and everything. Do you think, Frank?
Pretty hot. They're picking them up with their bare hands. Can't be that hot.
Well, some of them are pretty large parts. Are they kicking some stuff off the track here? Oh my goodness. Again, everybody, give him a big hand. I cannot tell you. And the thing is, on the Lucas Oil Championship Tour, you got to make all the pulls. That's the first thing you got to do is make all the pulls.
Skirted around he had, he would have been about right here when he stopped. He was flying.
Well, they're picking all the parts up off of Neil Genser's lessons learned tractor. Boy, Alex Brinkmeyer, aren't you glad that's not your motor laying on the track?
I am super glad that was not our tractor.
We got our winner from the Pro Stock class here tonight. Third generation puller, Alex Brinkmeyer. Congratulations on your win here tonight. I think you're